guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's review is about this Hairvivi Serayah wig that I recently purchased from Hairvivi. I uploaded a video probably about a week ago about their shipping, and in that video I said it took about 2 weeks to receive the hair. So this is the follow-up video to the shipping video where I am just going to try the wig on and let you guys know my thoughts and what I think about it. So the Serayah wig comes with these highlights on both sides, just moderate highlights. I wouldn't say it's a 1B. I would say it's more like a 4, the color number 4 with highlights in it. It comes with about 4 inches of lace, as you can see. It doesn't look over bleached at this time, but it is sitting on a white mannequin head, so I'm not sure how this is actually gonna play out once I try it on. Also, right behind the lace are tracks. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's plenty of hair to cover up the tracks, so you don't have to worry about that. The one concern I am seeing right now is that the hair is a little silky. I ordered it in the Brazilian texture, hoping that it would be more of a kinky texture, but so far I am feeling like this might be a little silky for me, but we will see when I try it on. I have not manipulated this wig at all outside of cutting the lace because you guys don't need to see me cut the lace. Anyway, I will try this wig on and let you guys know my thoughts. So here is the unit on my head. So far, I think it's okay. I don't have any cornrows or anything. I literally just took my braids out and put my hair in a back ponytail and threw this bad boy on. And let me show you guys the hair. I, of course, cut the lace, and here it is with no glue or anything just yet. Here's the parting space. As you can see, it looks very natural. I didn't put any foundation or concealer or anything in it. I didn't do with the got-to-be glue tie down just yet. I do think that it could use a few layers. Like I said in the unboxing, I feel like the hair is a little limp for me. I like a little bit more body in my hair, so I probably will put some I'll probably put some curls in it to give it a more wavy look. I think maybe because it's been sitting in my closet on a wig head for a few days, some of the waves kind of like left the building. But so far, I think it's okay. I did go and cut the lace like all the way to my hairline just because I thought the lace was kind of rolling up a little bit when I didn't cut all the lace off. But yeah, this is the wig on in case any of you guys were interested. Again, I didn't do a lot of manipulation to it here. The highlights are a little bit interesting to me, but I think the wig's okay. Out of a 10, I would at this point probably give it an 8. There's no shedding on this wig whatsoever. The quality is good. It smells like heaven. Like I get the intrigue with it, but if you're like a kinky straight 4C girl like me, I would recommend going with a kinkier unit. I would love to see this hair curled, so I'll probably come back and like mess around with the parting a little bit. Here's some more of the parting. As you can see, maybe a middle part might be kind of cool on this, even though I'm not a middle part kind of girl, but it can be parted anyway. You just have to train the part. Yeah, so actually that looks crazy right now. Yeah, so that's all I have for you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions you need me to answer. I don't know, sometimes I don't think I have a big head, but if you have a head any bigger than mine, this isn't gonna fit because this barely fits my head. And again, I said I didn't do anything much to it, but like even ear to ear, it's just not fitting my head as much as I would like, but it's snug. It isn't going anywhere, as you guys can see. But Yeah, I think it's great so far. Like I said, 8 out of 10. I'm gonna go and put some curls in it and try to play around with it, and I'll come back and let you guys know my thoughts. Anyway, that's all I have for this video. Like, comment, and subscribe again, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.